Greetings and welcome to today's presentation. Today's topic is Jamaica needs its own unemployment measurement. Before going into today's topic, let me first request for you to support this channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing today's video. Also, feel free to take part in discussions below. Now, according to the latest STATIN report, published on the 19th of October 2023, there are only 62,200 people in Jamaica who are unemployed, or 4.5% of the working population. However, I'm sure there are 62,200 people in parishes like St. Elizabeth who are out of a job, many of whom would welcome a full-time minimum wage job in their parish. No wonder why the same STATIN report published in July 2023 shows that there were 725,000 people in Jamaica who are out of the workforce, meaning that although they are of working age population, they are not actively seeking employment. Hence, they are not counted in the unemployment figures. The reason why many people have stopped looking for jobs is because there are no jobs for them to look for in or near their communities. Jamaica is using the same unemployment measuring sticks as the ones that were established by developed countries. Jamaica needs to use its own measuring sticks as well, suitable for a third world income country like Jamaica. For the unemployment rate in Jamaica, for example, someone who is working for 1 hour each week is counted as being employed in the developed countries, so as to avoid benefit cheats. That is someone working full-time but pretending to be working part-time, so as to still collect benefits while they are working. People in the USA and the UK, where I live, are in different social and demographical settings from people in Jamaica. Hence, statistics will mean different things on an employment report. For example, if someone is unemployed in the USA and UK, they would live off their social security benefits and have their rent paid by the government. The 1 hour rule was developed to avoid benefit cheats, but Jamaica does not have unemployment benefit. On the other hand, someone who is unemployed in Jamaica will need to hustle just to stay alive. For example, some ladies washing other people's clothes for a few hours each week, while some guys just getting 1 day's work for the week on a construction site or on a farm, etc. They will be counted as employed in Jamaica. But in a first world country, they will be counted as unemployed until they find another job. They will not be hustling just to be able to eat, etc. Most people in Jamaica know that the 4.5% unemployment rate in the country is incorrect, though some might not be able to prove that numbers are wrong. A poor country like Jamaica, with a different way of life to that of the USA and other rich countries, should have a different way to measure unemployment. The issue is that if the employment statistics was for full-time employment, then Jamaica would fall well behind the United States for the number of people who are unemployed. It would be more like 20% to 30% unemployment rate in Jamaica if we count the hustlers as unemployed. People need jobs in Jamaica, not statistical manipulation. People are correct when they say some Jamaicans are working for peanuts. It is not that people are employed full-time on low-wage or minimum wage jobs. The problem is that people cannot find a full-time job in the communities, not even a minimum wage full-time job. Most people don't mind a 20 minutes or 30 minutes drive in a taxi, to work and back each day, even if it is a full-time minimum wage job. The problem is that the jobs are not available. And according to the government's continued boasting about the low unemployment rate, they do not understand that either. There could be as much as 300,000 people from the official 725,000 people who are outside the workforce, who have given up on looking for jobs. They just do whatever hustling they can do to stay alive. Hence, they are not counted among the unemployed. Then we have the officially unemployed, 62,200 people to add to this figure as well, along with the over 300,000 hustlers who are working 1 or 2 days each week but counted as employed, making a total of almost 750,000 people in Jamaica who would accept a minimum wage job if they could find full-time work near their communities. This is why I keep advocating for a rapid increase in the tourism industry across Jamaica, and not just in some parishes on the North Coast. I think the current government could use the tourism industry to address the unemployment problems in Jamaica. Thanks for watching this video. To support this channel, please click on the subscribe button, share this video, and leave your comments below. God bless you. God bless our Prime Minister. God bless the Jamaican Parliament. And God bless Jamaica. You can see my notes in the comments section below, and also see some of my notes in the description section as well. God bless you. Until my next video, peace.